Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines Flight 2998. All carry-on items should now be stowed securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. All aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should now be clear. All electronic devices should now be turned off and stowed, as they may interfere with the aircraft's navigational and communication systems.
Everyone is called to be a missionary in their workplace, in their gym, in their coffee shop. Jesus is calling us, every believer, to be a missionary. God did not call you to preserve your culture. God called you to save the lost. God did not call us to win arguments. He called us to win souls. Today, Jesus is looking right at you. All of your dreams, all of your ambition, He wants to have them. And for those of you who are like, oh yeah, that means I'm gonna die to myself. Yes, but He has something so much better.